Hi, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that the wire art video you're watching right now was created in less than 5 minutes completely with AI? And here's the crazy part, the entire video is only 20 seconds long, which honestly makes the result even more impressive. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like this from start to finish using AI. Alright, let's get into it. First, I've created a master prompt specifically for you guys, and believe me, this thing is insanely powerful. You'll find the link in the description. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt carefully and open Claude AI. Now, you can absolutely use ChatGPT or basically any other AI chatbot you like, but for this tutorial, I'm using Claude. Once you're inside Claude, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. After you send it, Claude will give you 10 different wire art video ideas to choose from. You can pick literally any idea you like, and if you already have a reference image or a specific design in mind, you can upload that as well. But for now, I'm not completely satisfied with the ideas Claude gave me, so I'm going to ask it for more. I simply type more into the prompt box and hit send. And as you can see, Claude instantly gives us another 10 fresh ideas. All right, I really like idea number 7, so I simply type 7 into the prompt box and hit send. Claude then asks me for a reference image or a specific design. Since I don't have any particular reference image in mind, I simply type no and hit send. And just like that, Claude generates one image prompt and two video prompts for us. Now, you might be wondering why we need one image prompt and two video prompts, but just keep watching because this is where the actual magic happens. Claude also gives us a negative prompt, and you need to use this negative prompt with all three prompts, so don't forget it. Alright, first, copy the image prompt and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside Flow, select the image generation mode. Choose your desired aspect ratio and select the number of outputs. Then select the Nano Banana Pro image model. Once everything is set, paste your image prompt into the prompt box and make sure you also include the negative prompt. Then simply hit generate. Wait a few seconds and as you can see, our image is generated. And honestly, this already looks insane considering we started with basically nothing. Now go back to Claude AI and copy the first video prompt. Then return to Google Flow and select the image you want to animate. Next, select the OmniFlash video model. Paste the first video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Give it a little time, and in roughly a minute, your first video will be ready. Now, take a look. Pretty crazy, right? But pay close attention because this next step is extremely important. Select the last frame of your first video and save it as an image just like this. This last frame trick helps maintain continuity between the two video generations instead of making the second clip look like it suddenly came from a completely different universe. Now go back to Claude AI and copy the second video prompt, then return to Google Flow and select the last frame image we just saved. Animate that last frame image, paste the second video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. And again, make sure you also paste the negative prompt while generating the second video. Don't skip this part. Once the second video is generated, take a look, and there we go. Our video is now complete. Once you've generated both clips, simply download them in the highest resolution available and merge them together using any editing software you like. And that's it, your video is ready to go. If you learned something useful from this tutorial, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss the next viral AI niche. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.